This right here, guys, is the advanced, compact, comfortable trunk space of the 2018 Toyota Corolla IM. It does come back here with its spare tire, which is actually down here. One good thing about this car, guys, is that if you guys ever go shopping and you have like a lot of stuff, right? These back seats do come down. There's this latch here, you just drop it down like this port here, and when you come back here, you actually get much more trunk space. When we get down into the vehicle itself, guys, the car is powered by this 17-inch sport alloy wheels with Toyota tire pressure monitoring system. Here you guys have it, the all-new 2018 Toyota Corolla IM. My name is Luis Rodriguez, 3333 Boston Road, and it's better to buy in the Bronx.